In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a lingering potion in Minecraft. First thing you'll need is some dragon's breath. To get this, you need to go to the end and fight the dragon, and whenever it throws up all that purple stuff on the floor, you want to collect it with empty glass bottles. So once you've got that, you can come to your brewing stand and stick it in the top. Next, you'll need some splash potions, but these have to be the base ones, so no glowstone dust or redstone added. If we stick them in, they'll start brewing. And once that's done, you'll get these weird shaped bottles. So now we've got these, we can go outside, and if I throw it on the floor, it's going to kind of leave the same effect as what the dragon leaves, as you can see. And if you walk into it, you get the effect. So multiple people can walk into this and all gain the effect. I can throw this one here, and throw this one over here. I walk through it, I can jump higher and run faster. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.